Greetings and salutations all. In this video, we're going to go ahead and install RStudio by Posit for Windows. To begin, open up your favorite web browser and go to Posit, Posit.co. Once there, go to the top right corner and select Download RStudio. On the Download RStudio page, scroll down till you see RStudio Desktop, and then press Download RStudio. On the actual RStudio Desktop download page, scroll down a little bit more. In the previous video, we walked through installing R. So in this video, we're focused again on just installing RStudio. So go ahead and select option 2, Download RStudio Desktop for Windows. Once you select that option, in the lower left-hand side, you'll notice RStudio for Windows is downloading. And once it's done downloading, we're going to go ahead and launch the installer by clicking on the exe file. This will prompt the user account control. Just go ahead and say yes. The app can make changes. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the RStudio setup installer by pressing next. We're going to install RStudio into the default location. So just go ahead and press next. And we're going to install it into the start menu. So just go ahead and press install. Please note, this process may take a little bit of time, so feel free to go ahead and grab some coffee. Once the installer is done, go ahead and press finish. With the installer now finished, we're going to go ahead and validate the install for RStudio by opening it. So let's go down to our lower left-hand corner, clicking on the Start menu, then scrolling down until we see here the RStudio folder. Select RStudio, then select the RStudio icon to launch the RStudio application. Here, RStudio requires an existing install of R. What we're going to do, in my case, is we can choose a specific version of R. So I'm going to go ahead and select that option, and then I'll select the 64-bit option. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and press OK. And this will launch the RStudio application. And as you can see right here, we're effectively inside of RStudio. Let's go into the console panel on the left-hand side and type 1+1. This console panel is the R engine connection that RStudio sets up for us. So if you say 1+1 and press enter, notice how we're getting the output of 2, which means that R was successfully installed on, or RStudio was successfully installed to take full advantage of R. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye now.